What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the font on your iOS 16.0 all the way up to iOS 16.6 device, no matter if it's an iPhone 14, 13, 11, 12, stuff like that, using Misaka. There is a tweak that allows you to get a much better font on your device, and it works system-wide. We're gonna get into that in a second. This video is brought to you by AnyUnlock, a software that allows to unlock the screen passcode, bypass MDM and remove SIM lock. Definitely check it out in the link below. And if you want to learn more about Misaka Package Manager and what tweaks are available and what you can do without a jailbreak, definitely check the article in the link below. The link for Misaka is also available on my website. So right here I have a device running Misaka. This device is running iOS 16.6 beta 1. 16.5.1 is not supported, by the way, but 16.6 beta 1 is. So if you go ahead in here, you can see that the font is the default iOS font, this one that looks clean but really boring. And now if you go here in Misaka, there is a package that you can use. Press no on the update, press yes on the KFD, press OK in here, and now go here to the sources and go to search and look for Font Futura. And it's this package over here, Font Futura. You press on it and you just have to press get over here, go to Qt and press confirm. This will install the package called Font Futura, and then you go here to packages and you just have to make sure that it's tapped. It's actually marked in there, so make sure it's tapped and press the magic wand over there at the top. It says applying, and then press restart springboard. This will restart the springboard of the device and the font will be applied. And there we go. You can see now the font has been completely changed, and here in settings as well, this is the default font because I had the application open, but if I close it and open it again, you can see the difference. This is a new font and it actually works system-wide, so that's actually quite interesting and quite great. Quite a nice looking font in my opinion. Definitely check Misaka out in the link below. There are multiple fonts available, but that one is my favorite. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, peace out.